How to review your trash on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your trash on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down until you find activity log, and then click trash. And as you see here, you can manage or review your trash on Facebook mobile. It's easy, of course. And that's how to review your trash on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.